Welcome back to my kitchen. It's early February, and since citrus is in season right now, I wanted to share this very easy fresh squeeze lemonade recipe with you. I started by washing 2 pounds of lemons and I'm cutting them in half. Before I start squeezing those lemons, I'm getting this simple syrup together. I've got 2 cups of sugar and I'm adding 1 cup of boiling water. I'll keep stirring this to dissolve the sugar, and this method works good for this recipe, but for a traditional simple syrup, you would bring this together on the stove in a small saucepan until the sugar completely dissolves and the mixture thickens a little bit. Now, for this lemonade, we don't have to get fancy, and I'm going to just keep stirring this and checking on it until the sugar is completely dissolved. And it takes a little bit of time, but honestly, I've dumped it in before all of the sugar has dissolved and it still tastes great. I'm not one to heavily recommend kitchen gadgets, but sometimes an inexpensive tool is completely worth the money, and this electric citrus juicer is one of those gadgets. It's under $20 and really makes quick work of bringing this recipe together, and you really can't get all the juice out of these lemons any other way. I mean, maybe you can with a manual juicer, but I don't have the hand strength to do that. So this was a very worthwhile investment for my kitchen, especially because we make this all the time. This recipe makes a gallon of lemonade, but you can certainly cut this recipe in half. Two pounds of lemons gives you just about 2 cups of juice, which is exactly what we want for this recipe. I've already poured the simple syrup into some water, and now I'm just adding that lemon juice. You want to give it a good stir to combine all the ingredients and help to further dissolve that sugar. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you try this recipe, I'd love to hear about it down below. Thanks for watching.